What is an aerator used for and what can break down on it? I'm going to go over that in this video. Those spiny things are called tines. It is recommended once per year to aerate your lawn so it can breathe. For smaller yards, you can do this yourself with a pitchfork or an aerator rake, but the purpose of it is to oxidize the grass so it can absorb the nutrients and fertilizer better. Over time, these landscapers will come across rocks and concrete and other unforgiving surfaces that bend these tines. There's a variety of styles. You can pick them up anywhere from $20 to over $200, and the average length is 3 to 4 inches. Here's what they look like after being welded, and of course there's no need to polish them up because they're being pounded in the dirt constantly. Now, it was tricky getting the bolt perfectly centered in these tines and welded to perfection because the factory ones look slightly different, as you can see here. I finally figured out a trick to use a heavy-duty staple as a spacer on the inside and a washer on the outside, and that got the bolt nice and level. And of course I had to cut the head of the bolt off because it wouldn't fit inside. If you were to order it online, you might find it like this, and here's the original. So as you can see, a slight difference, but we got it taken care of.